Welcome back to Al's Kitchen. A really simple recipe this week, lemon rice. So we have our curries and we want some nice rice, not pilau, we want some lovely lemons. So I'm going to teach you a really simple recipe this week, only using a few ingredients. So let's crack on. So put a few of these little spice trays out. I get asked a lot of questions about where I buy these things from. Most of the time I'm getting them on Amazon. I'll put some links in the description box below and show you guys where to buy them too. Anyway, so what we're going to do for our lemon rice, I'm just going to put 2 cardamom pods in. I'm just going to crack them so that the seeds come out. So yeah, so we just crack the shell so that the flavour of the cardamom pod inside, the little seeds, they ooze out their flavour. And to colour the rice the nice golden yellow, we're just going to use a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. I'm going to use a pinch of salt. This is some leftover rice. So this was boiled up last night, it's been in the fridge, and this is just like a single portion of rice. So obviously if you want to do more, just double all the ingredients. So I'm going to be using the zest of half a lemon. You want about a teaspoon of zest. This is going to give that lovely citrus burst in the rice. And you know, you actually want it to taste of lemon. Quite often I've actually ordered lemon rice in a restaurant. It hasn't tasted very lemony at all. That's right. And then some restaurants like literally chop up a lemon and throw that in the rice. And for me, that's just too much. So I want a teaspoon of the zest. So let's just check that. Yeah, that'll do. That's a teaspoon of lemon zest. This is an optional extra, but I also like the citrus flavour that comes from coriander. So I'm going to be putting some finely chopped coriander in as well. So you know, you've got the lovely fragrant cardamom pods in the rice. That lends itself to citrus notes. You've got the lemon itself, the lemon zest, and now we're going to put some fresh coriander in. And the nice thing about putting the coriander in, it gives the rice a little bit of colour. So obviously if it's just all yellow, it can look a little bit anemic, but by putting the coriander in as well, you can break that lovely lemony yellow colour with a nice bit of green. There we go. So that's all there is to this. So that, you know, you can enjoy this with all your curries. You know, throw in some garlic if you want garlic and lemon. Throw in more coriander if you want a lemon and coriander rice. So also to dress the rice at the end, when I plate up, I'm going to take some slices of lemon. And you want nice thin slices. Let's just say 2 slices, and then we're going to cut them in half. And you're going to see what I'll do with those at the end when I present the rice. So there are our halves. So let's get on to the cooking. To start off, we're going to put a glug of oil in the pan. Not too much. And remember, you have to do this with cold rice. Warm rice is just going to stick and get ruined within seconds. Throw in our cardamom. We're just going to get the flavours out of the cardamom. And then we're going to throw in the turmeric. And that's going to make the oil go nice and yellow. And once the oil is warmed through, throw in the rice. That's perfect, nice sizzle there. Just going to turn that into the turmeric infused oil. And we're literally just warming the rice through. Now let's add in that zest. Just let that lovely rice warm through. So remember we took the zest off half a lemon, so now we're going to use the juice of that lemon. So give that a good squeeze. That'll do. Right, so I've used a cadai here, or a karai. You can use any frying pan you have. There's no problem there. The only reason I'm using this is because it's got nice wide edges and I can coat a lot of the rice in heat very quickly. Right, I'm going to throw in some coriander. I'll add salt to taste. That's heated through, I think that's ready to serve. Like these lovely little cadais I got. Again, I'll be leaving links from now on where you can buy these. So look at that lovely beautiful rice. A little bit of mess there. I mean, it smells really nice. I really wish you had smell-o-vision. There you go. Okay, so we know we chopped some slices of lemon in our preparation. I'm literally just going to put these down the side like that. 1, 2. There we go, and just a final little tiny piece of coriander on the top just to garnish. And there we go, beautiful lemon rice. Time for the taste test. Right, here we go, let's have a little taste of this. Absolutely beautiful, light, fragrant, zippy. You can definitely taste the lemon zest in there. Got to have the zest. And the good thing about having the lemons on the side is if you want it to be a little bit more lemony, you just take a piece up and you just squeeze it. A few more drops of lemon, you see. That is really gorgeous. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a like and a comment. This helps me out a great deal. If you like all the merchandise I'm using, like the cadais, the spice trays, in previous videos, even like the hand blenders, I'm leaving all the links in the description box below, so you can just go and order them if you wish. I've really enjoyed making this video. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video, and I'll catch you another time with a curry. I'm thinking maybe a doppiaza. But if you don't want a doppiaza, let me know in the comments below and I'll consider for next time. Anyway, I'm Al and I'm out of here.